back, everyone, for part 2 of 1.6 lessons, all about functions. So let's take a look. The domain of the function y equals 2x is 0, 2, 5, 7, and 8. So this must be the rule for our function y equals 2x, and there's the domain values. Make a table for the function. So we start off by writing x for our domain, y equals 2x our rule for our range. The next step is to substitute in the numbers that they gave us up here for our domain. So we write those numbers down, and they will determine our range. So the next thing we do is, these are called inputs. So we have the 0, we input it. 0 times 2 is 0. 2, 2 times 2, 4. Substitute 5, 5 times 2, 10, 7 times 2, 14, 8 times 2, 16. So we were able to get our outputs, our range values are therefore 0, 4, 10, 14, and 16. Let's try one for you guys to try to see if you understand. Make a table for the function y equals x minus 5 with the domain 10, 12, 15, 18, and 29. So here we go. X is our domain. Our rule, y equals x minus 5, goes for the range. They gave us the numbers 10, 12, 15, 18, and for some reason they did not write down the 29, so let's write the 29 in there. Now pause your video and see if you can come up with the range. Welcome back. Let's take a look at your range. Input 10, so 10 minus 5 is 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. 15 minus 5, 10. And 18 minus 5, let me grab a pen again. 18 minus 5 is 13. And of course, 29 minus 5 is 24. Your range values are therefore listed right here. 5, 7, 10, 13, and 24. How'd you do? Hopefully you did well. Let's try another one. This time, I give you the entire table filled in, and you need to come up with the rule. Take a look at the input and see what goes as the output. And notice it increased. It went from 0 to 2. So we're probably looking either addition or multiplication because it's getting bigger. Let's try addition. 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 10 plus 2, 12. Notice that every time we add 2, we will get the output. So our rule is y equals the input x plus 2. We always add 2. Now your domain should be fairly simple. Domain are all your x values. So those we already have of 0, 1, 4, 6, and 10. Our range are going to be 2, 3, 6, 8, and 12. All right, we have one more to look at for you to try out on your own. Write a rule for this table and figure out the domain and range. Before you go ahead and jump to the conclusion and its addition, 1 is your input. It increases to 8. If you add 7, 1 plus 7 is 8, but 2 plus 7, oops, that doesn't equal 16. Let's try multiplication. 1 times what gets you 8? Hint, hint. Pause your video, try out writing your rule, domain, and range. Welcome back. If you said 1 times 8 is 8, you're correct. 2 times 8, 16. 3 times 8, 24. 4 times 8, 32. In other words, they keep multiplying the domain by 8. So 8 times x. Y equals 8x. The next part is just identifying domain and range. And let's see, check your answers. Hopefully you did really well. That's it for tonight. Do all your work, and I'll see you tomorrow.